Hello, everyone. I appreciate you taking the time to listen today. People often ask me, Elon, why do you think you've been successful? What's your secret? And honestly, I don't believe success comes from a secret formula. It comes from purpose, from being obsessed with solving problems that truly matter. Since I was a kid in South Africa, I've been fascinated by physics, engineering, and the future of humanity. At age 12, I taught myself programming and sold my first video game. But money was never the goal. Even back then, I kept asking myself, backhand index pointing right, what is the most impactful thing I can do to help humanity thrive? Backhand index pointing right, how can we build a future that excites us instead of one we fear? That mindset has guided every decision in my life. Rocket SpaceX, making life multiplanetary. When I sold PayPal, I had enough money to live comfortably for the rest of my life. But I didn't want comfort. I wanted challenge. I wanted to help humanity survive long term. That's why I founded SpaceX. At the time, almost nobody believed a private company could build rockets. We couldn't hire top engineers. They thought we were doomed to fail. Our first 3 launches exploded. I had invested everything I had. It was humiliating. It was painful. But I didn't quit because I believed. Backhand index pointing right. If we can lower the cost of space travel, we can build a city on Mars. We can ensure humanity's survival, even if something goes wrong on Earth. Today, SpaceX has redefined space exploration. We've made reusable rockets. We've carried astronauts to the International Space Station. And with Starship, we're preparing for Mars. High-voltage Tesla, accelerating sustainable energy. When I looked at the future of Earth, I saw another problem. Backhand index pointing right, we're dependent on fossil fuels that are destroying the planet. Tesla wasn't about building cars. It was about showing the world that electric vehicles can be better, faster, and more fun than gas cars. In the early days, Tesla almost went bankrupt. People called us crazy. Big auto companies mocked us. But we kept going. We focused on engineering, innovation, and mission. Today, Tesla is the most valuable car company in the world, and we're helping transition the planet to sustainable energy, not just with cars, but with solar, batteries, and grid systems. Brain Neuralink, merging mind and machine. As artificial intelligence advances, I worry that humans could get left behind. That's why I co-founded Neuralink. Our goal? Backhand index pointing right to help people with neurological conditions like paralysis. Backhand index pointing right to create a safe path for humans to interface with AI so we can work with machines, not be replaced by them. Globe with Meridian Starlink, internet for all. Billions of people lack reliable internet. Starlink aims to fix that by providing high-speed internet from space, even the most remote corners of the world. Metro, the Boring Company, and Hyperloop, fixing traffic. I hate traffic. So I started the Boring Company to build tunnels and rethink urban transport. We're creating solutions that could one day cut your commute from hours to minutes. Lightbulb, what's the lesson? People think I'm successful because I'm smart. But here's the truth. Backhand index pointing right, it's not about being the smartest. Backhand index pointing right, it's about working hard, really hard, and caring deeply. Backhand index pointing right, it's about taking risks, failing, and trying again. When our rockets exploded, I didn't give up. When Tesla was weeks away from bankruptcy, I didn't give up. When people called my ideas impossible, I didn't give up. Speech balloon, final message to you. If you want to succeed, white heavy check mark, chase a mission, not money. White heavy check mark, work like hell. 80 to 100 hours a week if needed. White heavy check mark, be ready to fail, learn, and adapt. When something is important enough, you do it, even if the odds are not in your favor. Thank you.